Vlogmas 24, and in today's video I'll be sharing with you this delicious, creamy yet simple salad dressing recipe. You know how you go out there to get all of your Christmas groceries and then you forget to buy your mayonnaise. Not to worry, I got you. Okay, so in my blender I've added 2 boiled eggs, I've added 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. I'm going to add salt. Do this at your preference. Okay, do the salt and the sugar at your preference. Just add a pinch of salt and 1 teaspoon of sugar, which is what I did. Okay, the next thing you'll be adding to this mix is 1 teaspoon of vinegar. If you don't have vinegar, go ahead and squeeze in just a teaspoon of lemon or lime juice. This is just to give you this tingling taste that we balance it up and give you the best salad dressing of choice. So another thing you might want to add to this can be your black pepper or any herb, any dry herb that you have in your house. It can be parsley, basil, whatever herb that you have, but I'm not doing that because I don't have any at the moment. I'm just adding my vinegar and I'm going to give this a rough blend first. Then after the rough blend, you want to come back and add half a quarter cup of water. This is room temperature water. Add a quarter cup and then you have this creamy goodness. Guys, go ahead and try this. See, don't worry about mayonnaise. This one is going to change the game for you. You are going to enjoy this in your salads. You can use it for your pasta salad, your chicken salad, vegetable salad, whatever kind of salad you are making. And trust me, you are going to love it because the taste, texture, everything is 100 over 100. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying this. Thank you so much for watching. And yeah, this is how creamy it looks. I absolutely love this recipe. Since I came across it, I've done it several times. I've enjoyed it all of those times, and yeah, I want you guys to try it. Don't worry about mayonnaise. If you can't get mayonnaise or you were not able to get it, don't worry at all. All of this recipe, all of these ingredients you have in your kitchen, and it's going to come in handy. This is so good, guys. You can make it the night before, put it in your refrigerator and use, but I don't advise you make it for long term. Don't keep it in your refrigerator long term, as this is not meant to stay long term. Have a blessed day and see you guys tomorrow for the next one. Bye.